Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
Your house, your car.
Yes. The car boot are opening.
The car boots are opening. These are walls. Your house.
Baba da ka ba sa tare da mu. Baba dan ba kai ka haife mu ba. Baba in kai ka haife mu zaka bari ana mana fyaɗe. Baba in kai ka haife mu zaka bari ana kashe mu. Baba in kai ka haife mu zaka bari ana kai mu daji baba. Baba in kai ka haife mu zaka bari ana mana cinikin mu kamar awaki baba. What they are telling you, if they are telling you that nothing is happening, they are lying. We are out to tell you the truth, Baba. Today, I regret ever voting for you, Baba. I regret voting for you, Baba. I regret voting for you, Baba. I regret for you. And today I'm standing here.
Oh, regret voting for you, Baba.
Baba, baka samu. Baba, mu muke son ka, Baba, mu muka damu da kai. Baba, mu muka damu da kai. Baba.
We've already donated about 100 million to her to use to empower 2,000 petty traders. Women to capitalize on businesses. And I know they've been talking that I said akara. It's not only akara. We also have tomato sellers, we have boli, and those also selling pepper, selling vegetables for us in the market. We continue to empower them, add to their resources so that their trade can really be sustainable. So that is what we are doing, and I know all those people who are affected, they do appreciate it. And we are not intimidated by all those their wrong reports, but we are forging ahead and making sure that our people are well cared for. We continue to care in the capacity we have the amount of 2,000 women that are already in small businesses. They will recapitalize their businesses with 50,000 naira each. We've already given them 100 million. So that is briefly why we are here.
Yes, that can stop this revolution. Obviously, we have won them. Yes, but they will not listen. Yes, but now it appears. Yes, and as a result, I was granted the French bill. Yes. Require a traditional ruler. Yes. And somebody with property in Abuja. Yes.
Try your hand on my microphone. You have to break it.
And my international passport. They have always been after this passport. Yes. But nobody can come after our movement. No, it's not possible. Without having nobody can stop the movement. Nobody can stop this idea whose time has come. Yes. And what I want to tell Nigerians is that it is not about my freedom. It's about the liberation of Nigerian people. Yes. And it's about.
Buildings that have been taken or have to be readdressed and needs to be taken back. The businesses that are run here in the city are mostly run by foreigners.
Yes,